Welcome to another amazing GCN Tech unboxing. And this week, we have a superb prize that you can wear. We are unboxing the brand new Assos Liberty RS Thermo rain jersey. And as ever with a GCN Tech unboxing, there is a chance to win. But we don't just have one. This week, we have 3. I know, we're too good to you guys. So make sure you subscribe to the GCN Tech channel and also click the little bell icon, as you'll get a notification every time we upload a video like this, where there's a chance to win an awesome prize. And as ever, stay tuned till the end of the video for details on how you can win. But before we crack on, I guess we should unbox the new product and have a look at the jersey. What is the Liberty RS Thermo rain jersey? Well, it was engineered by Assos in conjunction with the BMC Racing Pro team, who requested a jersey that would offer watertight protection from the elements in foul weather while still offering a tight and aerodynamic fit. The reason for this being that a traditional rain cape does offer decent protection from the elements, but they tend to flap around a lot, and this can significantly increase your drag. So, in order for me to show you how good the fit is on this new jersey, the best thing is that I try it on and assume the famous position. Oh man, as soon as I put this on, I want one. The fit on the arms, you can see it's just great and nice and tight there. And also, crucially, across the chest and the tummy, there's no bunching, especially when you assume the position, which is often the downfall of sort of thermal jerseys, and also nice tight fit on the back. So all in all, should keep things nice and aero. Conventional approaches to thermal rain jerseys, the Liberty employs a new high-tech fabric called Stratogen Light, which was developed in conjunction with Assos's fabric suppliers. Now this new fabric is windproof, highly water resistant and breathable, but also it's very lightweight as well. Now, I think to show you just how waterproof it is, we need to spray some water on it. Oh man, that is seriously impressive rain protection. And, well, it's especially reassuring when, like me, you live in England, which is one of the few places in the world where rain is manufactured and exported to the rest of the world. Assos is calling the Liberty a rain thermo racing device, and it features 5 different textiles, 13 different patterns, and 10 different components to ensure that the ergonomics are spot on and it has a really good fit. But it doesn't end there. There's loads of other high-tech features built into this jersey, so let's go through them. First up is a really cool feature, well, really warm feature is the intention, and it's this panel which covers your heart, and this is designed to offer increased insulation over your heart with a special Schloss-Tex fabric. Now the reason for this is that it helps increase blood flow and circulation, according to Assos. Now how does it do this? Well, think of it like a boiler in a house. What you're doing is you're heating the blood at the source, and then warmer blood is being pumped around the rest of your body. So like a boiler heats the water and then pumps warm water to all the parts of your house. Like that. Pretty neat idea. There's also a 2-way zip, strategically placed vent holes, 3 large pockets on the rear of the jacket, special stitching to keep the rain out, and also taped seams. I mean, it kind of almost makes me look forward to riding in the rain. There's also a nice big wide elastic hem at the back to keep the jersey in place, and a massive reflective strip right down your spine for added visibility. Now for the part you've all been waiting for. How do I win these amazing prizes? Well, that's really easy. All you need to do is click on the link in the description below, and that will take you to our giveaways page. Follow the instructions and you'll be in with a chance to win. And it's completely free to enter, so you've got no excuse not to. Then, once you've done that, why not check out the GCN shop? We've got all manner of goodies, including these awesome, seriously cool GCN Essentials cases, which fit perfectly into your pocket of your Thermo rain jersey, and they can carry all your valuables and keep them nice and safe. And once you've done that, why not check out another video? Up here, we've got Si's visit to the Assos HQ, where you can see Assos Man doing the Assos pose for real, rather than my pound shop version.